Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some unstoppable pixie haircut transformations. Loving this first one. She ended up getting more of like a pixie undercut style. Such a fun, chic vibe with this haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we see someone going from like shoulder length style hair to another beautiful pixie undercut. Gorgeous design going there on the side. Followed by a pixie cut with bangs in the front. And then we have another faded pixie cut. This is very short and chic. I love the red hair coloring. This one does feature a design going in the back as well. Beautiful short faded pixie style. Next up, we see someone go from a blonde pixie to this gorgeous turquoise color. Absolutely stunning, very unique and edgy. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you could stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone rocking a platinum pixie cut. The stylist created a gorgeous rounded shape. Beautiful sideburns, stunning. And then we have another beautiful pixie. This one does feature a bit of a shaven nape area. More of that 90s mushroom style cut. Then we have another very bright platinum faded pixie cut, very choppy layers. Followed by a pixie hair transformation. So she starts off with a bleached blonde ponytail. Absolutely gorgeous. This pixie does feature baby bangs in the front. Stunning transformation. So let us know in the comments below which pixie hair transformation was your favorite. And of course, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video. And if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.